So, hi guys, and hello. Your name is Aya. Yeah, she's Aya, and my name is Beth from Anime. So, who are you cosplaying as today, Aya?
Cici from Code Geass.
Cici, why don't you have green hair?
It's really epic. Nakalimutan ko nung wig ko.
Oh, okay. So, in regards to that, I have a question. What's the hardest part for your cosplay today?
Wig. Wig. Wala akong wig. Hindi ako ma-specify na Cici kasi wala akong wig.
Yeah, what else? Wala na ba? Yun lang.
Yun.
Yun lang yun.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you had the wig, okay na yung Cici mo. Is there a reason why you cosplay? I know, meron.
Meron! Meron kasi habi ko rin siya, tsaka masaya ako.
Tsaka?
Give them a private part.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Sa lahat ng na-cosplay mo, what is your most favorite characters?
Black Rock Shooter.
Black Rock Shooter from Black Rock Shooter.
Yeah.
Hi, Kuya Yo. Do you have any favorite anime or manga?
Yes.
What?
Beast X.
What?
Beast X.
Oh, Kiss X. What's your favorite cosplay event in the Philippines so far?
SMX Con.
SMX Con?
Yeah.
Any event sa SMX or yung SMX Con? Okay, I don't know kasi. Sorry. What are the similarities nung kina-cosplay mo sa ugali mo as Aya? So compare Cici to Aya. Meron ba siyang similarities?
Meron.
Yeah. What are they?
Nung pagiging seductive joke.
Oh, she likes seductive. She likes being seductive.
Okay.
Yun lang, being seductive. So, if Cici is seductive, Aya is seductive. So, what type of music do you listen to?
Marami. Pwedeng rock or heavy metal. Basically, mas gusto ko ng OPM.
If you had $1 million, what dollars not pesos? If you had $1 million, what do you plan to do with it? Bibigyan mo ba ako?
Siyempre, una sa family ko, then kung may, ako, magpapa-charity ako.
So, which do you prefer? McDo or Jollibee?
McDo!
McDo, yes, everyone's favorite. Cats or dogs? Cat. Short or long hair? Middle.
Pwede mo yung saske.
Oh, I know what they're thinking, but you don't need to know. So, describe yourself in one word.
Cute?
She says she's cute. Cute mo, diba? Okay, so, do you have any future plans or for any future cost plans?
Yes.
What is it or what are they?
Titania Urza.
So, that's fine.
Titania Urza.
Titania Urza lang.
Yeah.
Or, yeah. So, that's it. Do you have anything you would like to say to our viewers?
I-like ko sila sa Facebook.
Yes, like Anime Sky on Facebook. And do you have anything to plug for yourself? So, wala kang fan page?
I have one.
Oh, plug it!
Aya Kawaii, like my page.
Yeah, we'll be posting the link to the video description soon.
Okay.
So, yun. Bumigay yung costume ko, so we are ending our interview. Thank you.
Subscribe now.